Hello friends, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix the Google Chrome USNAP error using your Android phone. Let's dive straight into the video. First of all, open your phone settings. Once settings is open, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on apps. In the apps menu, you will see all the install apps on your phone. You can either scroll down to find it or simply tap the search bar at the top and type Google Chrome. To bring up the app, tap on it to go to the next page. After that, scroll down until you see an option called storage. Tap to open it. There you will see a clear cache button. Go ahead and tap on it to clear the cache. Once that's done, go back one step, return to the previous screen, then tap on the full stop button, which you find at the very bottom. Confirm the action when prompted. After completing this, return to your home screen, open the Google Play Store, use the search bar and search for Chrome browser. Tap on the app when it appears. If there is an update available, tap the update button and wait until the update is complete. When the update is finished, restart your phone. How do you do that? Press and hold the power button and the volume down button together for 2 to 5 seconds. A pop-up menu will appear. Tap restart and confirm and wait to complete the process. Once your phone finishes restarting, open the Chrome browser and log into your Google account. Now check your issue should be resolved. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Thank you. Bye bye.